In a world where humans are invaded by giant monkeys 100 times their size, humanity would need to employ innovative strategies, such as utilizing guerrilla tactics, advanced weaponry, and leveraging the environment to outsmart these colossal adversaries. By utilizing technology like drones for reconnaissance and distraction while setting traps in urban areas, humans would coordinate their defenses to undermine the sheer brute strength of these enormous invaders. In the heart of their operations, human leaders would gather in a secure command center, plotting intricate strategies while coordinating aerial assaults that take advantage of the momentary weaknesses of the massive monkeys. Using the element of surprise, humans would employ snipers hidden within rugged landscapes to target the weaknesses of the giant monkeys, while strategically deploying traps to capture and immobilize these formidable foes. In their fight for survival, humans would innovate in laboratories, creating specialized weapons designed to exploit the vulnerabilities of the giant monkeys, leading to intense confrontations that test both strength and strategy. As the war intensifies, humans would rally together in massive formations, employing both brute force and clever tactics against the advancing giant monkeys, turning the tide through sheer resolve and innovative engineering. By leveraging their knowledge of the terrain and employing stealth tactics, human forces would expertly plan ambushes on unsuspecting giant monkeys, capitalizing on every advantage in the increasingly chaotic conflict. In the throes of battle, humans would find success in collaborative efforts, deploying intricate maneuvers and advanced technology to systematically weaken the giant monkeys, all while fortifying their last bastions against the overwhelming threat. Amidst the turmoil, human resilience would shine through as communities unite under a common goal, pooling their resources and strategies while bracing themselves for a decisive confrontation against the invincible giant monkeys.